Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Apple Support app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Apple Support is an official customer service app developed by Apple to help users get assistance for their devices and services. It allows users to troubleshoot problems, chat directly with Apple experts, schedule repairs, and manage Apple products all from one place. The app personalizes support options based on the devices connected to your Apple ID, offering quick solutions to common issues. Available on iOS, it provides verified help, avoiding the need to visit websites or make long support calls. The app's main feature is its comprehensive help and repair management system. Users can view step-by-step troubleshooting guides, schedule Genius Bar appointments, and track repair progress. It also includes live chat and call options for direct communication with support representatives. The app's clean design and intuitive interface make it easy for anyone to get the help they need without technical hassle. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate Apple Support's reliability, organized layout, and the convenience of connecting directly with Apple's official service team. The personalized help options make it easy to find relevant answers, and booking in-store repairs or service requests is seamless. The app's integration with iCloud ensures accurate device tracking and service history. However, there are some drawbacks. The app is exclusive to Apple users, meaning Android users can't access it. Some users mention that certain repairs still require physical visits, and wait times for appointments can vary. Additionally, while chat support is responsive, availability may differ depending on region and issue type. In summary, the Apple Support app may be worth using if you want a simple, official, and efficient way to troubleshoot problems, book repairs, and get expert help for your Apple devices. However, if you're outside the Apple ecosystem or prefer in-person assistance, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.